Welcome back to my channel, guys. We will be going to the Avalanche Lake, which is one of the beautiful lakes in Ooty, and from Ooty to Avalanche is a scenic journey into the Nilgiri hills. So morning it was like fog, full of fog. Now the weather is okay. So it started drizzling as well early in the morning. So when we wake up, so we waited for the fog to clear, and then we started our bike to Avalanche Lake. We have stopped here for a break, and the backdrop is amazing over here. The backdrop, you can see the Lake Emerald. Amazing view from here. Most of the vehicles, especially the bikers, they stop here to view the point. And it's a very pleasant morning, and the weather is amazing over here. The roads are very narrow and it's very congested, I feel, since it's a hilly terrain. So you have to be very confident, and you have to be very careful, and concentration is very important while riding on these terrains, because you have to be focused on how you ride, and you have to see on the either sides, because you will have a lot of hairpin bends here and there. So all of a sudden a vehicle will be approaching towards you, so you should not exceed your speed. You have to be on your control. You have to maintain that 30 to 40 to 50 speed on your bike with low gears, so it will be easy for you to control your bike as well. So this roads, here and there was construction going on, so we have to be very much careful. And we have already late, because since we have to cross this jungle zone, so after paying 20 rupees ticket, we added entry fees to cross this zone. So this is how the Ooty and Ooty roads look like. So this will be a 20 kilometers drive from Ooty. So we are entering Avalanche Lake, and this is a guard session. Tomorrow we are planning to reach Bangalore, and today we want to cover Emerald and Avalanche Lake. And after covering Emerald and Avalanche, we have plans to visit the Hungerford Tea Estate Gardens. Is one of the scenic and one of the most beautiful tea estates which is around Ooty. So we are planning for that. If time permits, after this, after visiting Emerald, we have to go to Hungerford. By then it will be around, I think it will be around 4 to 5 or 6 o'clock. So you will see how fast we can reach, or how it's not about fast, we have to reach safely as well, because the narrow road. So we almost reached, huh? Guys, since Avalanche is a part of protected forest area, you need prior permission is required to visit the entry, and the entry fees for bike is 20 rupees. And you can also hire a jeep inside the forest. They will take you to the Avalanche Lake, and the best time to visit is post monsoon, that is from September to March, when the surroundings are lush green and the weather is pleasant. Always carry a warm clothing, and temperature can drop significantly, especially on the evenings. Forest Rest House Avalanche. We have reached the Avalanche Lake now, and if you want to go to the other side of the Avalanche, you have to hire a vehicle here. So, or else you have to walk through the little pine forest and you have to view the other side of the Avalanche Lake. Here, the view is not that great. If you want to have a better view, you have to hire a vehicle and you have to go there, where they will take you through the forest and to the other side of the Avalanche Lake. And that side, the views are amazing, and the weather is also pleasant over here today. We see a small water stream which connects the Avalanche Lake. Apart from that, we don't see anything. We are not supposed to cross this border as per the Nilgiri department. So if at all, if you want to go to see Avalanche Lake, we have to hire a vehicle and we have to go to the other side of the lake and to have a better view. So we are heading back towards Ooty, and possible we will see the Emerald Lake, or else we have planned already to visit the Hungerford Tea Estate, which is on the way to Ooty. So we will be seeing the Hungerford, and after that we will be reaching Ooty, because tomorrow we have also planned to leave Ooty to reach Bangalore.